already show. This is the brand, obviously. Digital From Sky Part 1, Digital From Sky Part 2, from Anhui to Ningxia, from Qinghai to Zhejiang, um, understanding each digital economy across all these industries of the fourth industrial revolution. And then obviously the dawn of the digital dragon dynasty, the world's first Chinese global textbook, and the Digital Dragon Dictionary, the world's first Mandarin digital dictionary. And a bit about myself. Traveled across 50 countries, the Belt and Road, all of China, every province high-speed rail, all of America, every mainland state by car, and Digital Dragon Dynasty. It's the world's first digital Silk Road investment academy. And the whole point of this brand is more to China than Marxism. And Digital Dragon Dynasty is going to show you how China is changing the world along the digital Silk Road. And you can see also on the YouTube channel an introduction video smart cities video and an overview of the investment guides and the Digital Dragon Dictionary. And then here are the sections. There's an about section explaining the geopolitics, really behind the brand, the new Cold War with China for America, and the future of the global stock markets, coming collapse for America and on the markets, not just in the real economy, and the reversal for China from years of being held down in the bear market to their own bull market as the Chinese economy begins to thrive and really realize the full potential of the fourth industrial revolution, overtake America by GDP this decade. You can read that in the 2 pages there on the Chinese Cold War and how really the Cold War has started. The opening salvos of the trade war, the Belt and Road Initiative, the Made in China policy, but COVID was the trigger. You can read the real truth around COVID statistics that the mainstream media will refuse to tell you in this page. And you can read how COVID is shaping now the geopolitics, how it's coming full circle. How COVID has created a new Iron Curtain. Understand more about geopolitics, what you're not being told in mainstream media about COVID and the real truth around it, to divide the world. So China and America could develop their AI in isolation from each other. All written down there for anyone to read. And here are the three products of Digital Dragon Dynasty Digital Provinces Guide, where you can study it across almost 1,000 pages, 900. Every digital economy of each province, special administrative region, municipality of China across 11 fourth industrial revolution um, sectors, AI, 5G, blockchain, electric autonomous vehicles, renewable energy, robotics, 3D printing, virtual augmented reality, drones, smart cities, and high-speed rail, as well as the domestic Belt and Road Initiative. How each province is working with uh, each region of the Belt and Roads. So Tibet, how Tibet's working with India and Bhutan and Nepal. How Xinjiang is working with Central Asia and Kazakhstan, uh, Kyrgyzstan. Now, this this is the world's first investment guide to the Chinese digital economy. You're going to understand the 2,000 biggest companies of the Chinese Fourth Industrial Revolution. It's 1,000 pages of data. You can, for free, get given a fair bit of data already on each province. You see, Guangdong have 1 million new energy vehicles by 2025, building Shenzhen's net city to be constructed by 2027. Shandong will have a 600-kilometer-an-hour high-speed rail by 2025, by this year, and 90 gigawatt renewable power capacity by 2030. And you can see two overview videos. But these videos, five minutes in length. Then you can see two sample videos on Tibet of the chapter in Digital Provinces Guide.